Alright guys, welcome back. In today's lesson, we are starting React, but instead of using the old Create React app, we'll use Vite, which is faster and more modern. In this video, you will learn what React is, how to set up your React using Vite, what JSX is, and how to render your first hello world. Let's get started. What is React? React is a JavaScript library used to build user interfaces. Instead of manually updating the DOM like we've always been doing, React allows us to build UI using components, which makes development faster and cleaner. Step 1. We'll create our React app with Vite. But before we start, you need to have Node.js installed on your system, and if you don't have, go to Chrome and type this, download Node.js. Then you download it according to your operating system. Mine is Windows. You just click on this download and it's going to work. Alright, so after this it's going to download, so you quickly go to your terminal to check if it is installed. Alright, so you just type in node space v and hit enter. You should get a version. Let's increase, let's maximize it. So we zoom in, so you can see a version here, which means what, my Node.js was correctly installed on my system. If you don't have this, kindly reinstall it. So now we are going to install Vite. Sorry, we are trying to create our React app using Vite. So npm create Vite at latest, and you write the name of your folder. So mine is what, my first React app. Okay, my first React project, and I hit enter. Alright, so you can see it's loading, and you type Y. Alright, so you write your project, your package name, and I'm just going to write React app. You select React, you select JavaScript, you hit enter, and we wait for this to install. So it's installing the dependencies with npm, so we just kindly wait for it. Alright, so still waiting. So now it's been installed. Let's allow this. Alright, so you allow, and you just hold your control and click on this link, so it's opening. So now we have our React project open now. Or you copy this link and you paste it on your Chrome or whatsoever your browser is, and it's still going to come clean. So now we are just going to try to access our folder structure. So we open our VS Code, a new window entirely. After opening it, we try to split our screen and drag and drop the folder structure that we have created in our terminal using Vite. Alright, so this is us trying to locate where the folder structure is. Okay, after installing it in our terminal, we have to locate where it is. So this is it, and I came to my local disk. I went to user. The name of my user is Peace, so I go through Peace. The name of this was okay. So this is it, my first React project. So I just drag and drop it in my VS Code. You can do it however you want. I drag and drop it here, and I have the React project structure in my VS Code now. This is beautiful. This is perfect. Alright, so this is how we just installed and had it in our VS Code. So now we are going to go through each and every one of these files one after the other to understand everything properly. Okay, so we are going to come to this source folder. We'll click on the source folder. Let's make this large. Okay, so we come to the app.jsx. Let's come to the app.jsx first. So we are just going to, you see there's a whole lot of codes here that we do not understand yet. So what we do now, we are just going to delete all of these and write a simple and clean code that we are going to understand. All right, so we select all the code in this file name app, and we write our code. So now we are writing our code here. So we create a function, still name it app. All right, so this is a React component. Then we write our return. So this React component must return something. So that's something that this React component wants to return is what we are going to have here. So it's going to return what? This div with a h1, right? So we're just going to write hello world. So this looks like HTML, but it is not. It is what we call the JSX. All right, so this is our JSX. So after that, you need to export it. Right, export default, you write the name of the function app. Great. So we've been saying JSX. What is JSX? JSX means JavaScript XML. It allows us to write HTML inside JavaScript. All right, so we create a variable name called name, and we give it a value called piece, a string value. Right, so we try to return something. Right, so let's return something. So now we are just returning hello, and yeah, right, hello and curly brace. Write the name of this name. Yeah. So this name is actually the JSX, right? We should be able to see the value that was written inside of this. So let's check the browser for this. So we should be able to see hello piece. Great. So the styling and all of this is because we have a file, a CSS file that we've not worked on. So we can see that we have our hello piece here. This is working perfectly. We're able to write our first React code. Great, right? So we're just going to look at some JSX rules. Yeah. So first thing you need to know is what one parent element. So we have the h1, which is the hello, and if you try creating the paragraph here, it is wrong. It's not going to work. You can see we have errors, right? But now the correct version here is to have one parent element. So we create a div which serves as the parent, and we cut the paragraph and the h1 inside the div. So right now it works perfectly. All right, so this is it. Okay, you can see it is working very perfectly. This is how it should be. Okay, so hello, and I still called the, so you can see we still have hello piece, right? Okay, so yeah, so this is it. We're still going to look at some other rules here. So yeah, so another rule we can look at is the class name. Okay, so in normal HTML we just write the class, but in React you write class name in camel case, and you write whatever your class name wants to be. Okay, so that's how it's been written in React. And we are just going to look at a self-closing tag. So one self-closing tag which is common to us is the img. So this is the img, and this is how it works here. So we're going to go onto our example 2, just a simple UI here. So let's copy all of this and cut it. So we just cut this, and we are just going to write a simple code here. So we could just have h1 here. So the h1 could just be welcome to my app. Okay, maybe another paragraph that says this is my first React app. Okay, then maybe a button, so a button that says click me. All right, so yeah, so the step 4 we're going to be looking at here, we're going to be going to another file which we've not checked. So this file name is the main. So you can see we just refresh this and everything we've written a welcome to my app, the paragraph and the button is showing perfectly here. Everything is working. Our React is updating as it should be. Okay, so this is it. We click on the button and everything. So we are going to the next file. So the next file is called main.js. JSX. So here, this is where our React loads, the app component is being rendered, and everything appears inside the root. So next time we'll go through all of this code one after the other and understand why they are here. So why is Vite better? Vite is faster for setup, for the instant reload and modern setup, and it is lightweight. Alright guys, so that's how to set your React using Vite and understand JSX. You successfully created your first React app. Join me in our next class. Thank you.